Hello everyone. This short video is going to talk about Google Forms and how you can use it to really quickly and easily create a measurement tool for your proposal evaluations. So Forms is a completely free application through Google. If you have a Gmail account, you can get a hold of Forms. So to make Forms, all you have to do is create a blank form. And if you've never done this before, it's super easy and fairly intuitive once you get going. You'll want to title it Proposal Evaluation, so that you can read it again and find it quickly in your information. And then I would suggest starting with proposal number. And you can either leave that short answer or you could make that multiple choice, and you could really simply and easily take a look at the proposals. You have 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, and 4.5. So then whichever proposal the individual is going to be evaluating, they would just click on that particular proposal to make sure you make this required so they can't skip over it. Then you would just go through and you would do your specific criteria. So if the criteria is like goals, for instance, you would want to make sure that you do a scale where whatever your group has decided, the weakest to the strongest. I really recommend you use the lower numbers for weak and the higher numbers for strong. And whichever scale you use, you should use that same scale for all of the questions. So, for instance, if you had cost, you choose linear scale. And then it's really easy to just go weak to strong. And as each individual person goes through and evaluates the individual proposal, it'll keep track of everything. At the end, you can choose to send your proposal. And by just using a simple link, you can incorporate that into your group's work. So let me really quickly pull up a different website so that you can see what this looks like when it comes in as a form. So what you would do is every time you're going to fill one out, you would say which one you want to fill out, and then you would put in the information and hit submit. When your group goes back, then you can quickly and easily see what the ratings are right there in the responses as everyone responds to cost. And the other thing that you can do is you can pull this up as a spreadsheet, which would allow you then, once you have a whole bunch of different proposal numbers, you would just simply go through here and sort the sheet so that all of the proposal numbers for 4.2 were the same. The other way that you could do this is you could just do one for 4.2, one for 4.3, one for 4.4. It's really, really easy to do. It's really, really easy to build. And the really nice thing about it is it helps you figure out how to sort the data really quickly without having to sort through everybody's individual work. If you have any questions or need any help with that, feel free to reach out at any time and I can help you or your team.